Today, I'll walk you through how to get Salesforce certification, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate the certification process so you can enhance your career prospects in the tech industry. First, let's discuss the importance of choosing a certification path. Selecting a specific certification track to focus on is crucial. For instance, you might want to start with the Salesforce Administrator role. This foundational certification will give you a solid understanding of the platform and its capabilities. Think of it as choosing a major before diving into college courses. Once you've identified your certification path, it's time to study using Trailhead. Trailhead is Salesforce's free learning platform, and it's an invaluable resource for aspiring certified professionals. To access it, simply hover over the Learn tab on the Trailhead homepage. Here you'll find official exam guides, trails, and a variety of learning tools designed to help you prepare effectively. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The content remains the same. Next, explore the available certifications. Take a moment to review the credentials and exam requirements under the Certifications Overview section on the Salesforce website. This will give you a comprehensive understanding of what to expect and help you plan your study schedule accordingly. Think of it like reviewing the syllabus before the semester begins. Once you're ready, it's time to register for the exam. You will need to create an account or sign up through WebAssessor, Salesforce's official exam registration portal. This step is straightforward, but be sure to double-check your information to avoid any issues later on. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, so take your time. Finally, you're ready to take the exam. Schedule and complete the official proctored exam, which can be done online or at a local testing center. This is the moment you've been preparing for, and passing this exam will earn you your certification. Think of it as crossing the finish line after a long race. In conclusion, obtaining your Salesforce certification can open doors to numerous opportunities in the tech field. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving this goal. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.